Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and connecting to Piggy as an admin. This gives you permissions to enumerate pages. Once logged in, enable any developer, debug, or indexing mode so Piggy exposes routing metadata. Open a terminal or the built-in console to run commands. Now run an initial discovery command or use the UI list view to pull the first set of pages. This gives you a baseline of entries and reveals paging or filtering rules you'll need next. Now you enumerate all pages systematically. Call Piggy's List API or run a crawler that follows internal routes. Handle pagination by looping until no more pages and respect rate limits so you don't get blocked. As you collect entries, apply filters, status, route patterns, template types, or last modified dates to reduce noise and target what matters. Once done, export the combined output to CSV or JSON so you can deduplicate, inspect anomalies, and prepare for the final verification step. To finish, verify each discovered page against the live site and the sitemap so you catch discrepancies like duplicates or broken routes. If you find missing or incorrect pages, update Piggy's router settings or the page entries in the CMS. Make sure canonical URLs and redirects are correct. Once you make fixes, rerun the discovery process to confirm changes took effect. If something still fails, check permissions and logs for API errors. Those are the most common troubleshooting root causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.